through here is 4 squat progressions to tweak different muscles. So the first one is more quad dominant, the second one will be more hamstring, third more glute, and then the fourth, I guess, is back to a little bit more quad. So first is just an overhead squat. So you want to hold your hands up overhead, and you can keep them together or slightly apart, and then you just want to kind of sit back into your heels and then come up. And you want to keep your feet slightly wider than hip width, slightly externally rotated. And just think like you're sitting down in your heels and then back up. Looking from the side. If you're a little weak through your upper back, your hands will fall forward. So you want to try to keep them back as best as you can. Drop down and then come up. So that's the first one. Second one is more for hamstrings. It's like a straight-legged deadlift. So you're going to be a little wider and shoulder width apart again, and just kind of drop down and touch and then come up. Here, you just want to feel that stretch in your hamstrings and then come back up. So look at it from the side. It's just like this. So your hips should kind of slide backward and then slide back up underneath you. And then if it gets easy and your hamstrings get longer, then you can kind of grab the ball this way and drop in a little further. Just being careful that your back doesn't round out. Third one would just be the same kind of move, but now you're bending your knees. So this is more glute dominant or butt dominant. So we'll come here and then just take that ball out in front of you and then come back in, right? And the same thing, you want your pelvis to slide back, so you're sitting into them heels. Keep your chin up if you can, and then when you come forward, just kind of slide your hips forward. And the last one is called an overhead squat. Just hold a bar. You want to try to keep the bar behind your head. Just be careful not to go too far that you hurt your shoulder. So I'll show you from the front. You're here, and you just want to kind of drop down. Kind of, my weight got forward on that one. This is tough. You want to keep your weight back into them heels if you can. And to show you from the side, it'll be like this. You see this bar behind my head. I'm going to sit back and then come up. So your pelvis is sliding back and then your pelvis is sliding forward. So start with maybe 5 reps each. Progress to maybe 2 sets of 10 each before adding any kind of weight to it.